Hi guys, I'm going to be making strawberry cheesecake ice cream. In a big pot, I have 1 cup of milk and I'm heating it up over medium heat. We're scalding the milk and bubbles are going to form around the edge of the pan. So I've removed it from the heat and I'm adding in 1 cup of granulated sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to stir this in until it's dissolved. And I didn't say, but this will be making 2 quarts of ice cream. And next I'm going to be stirring in 1 cup of half and half. My family's tradition is to make homemade ice cream for 4th of July, so this is the flavor that I chose. This is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to stir this to combine. I'm just going to cover this and put in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So you're going to pour it into your ice cream maker and follow your ice cream maker's instructions. And when it's almost completely solid, or it will never become completely solid until after you put it in the freezer overnight. But as it thickens up and slows down, I'm going to add in some more ingredients. And if I don't feel like it's ever going to get solid enough by the machine, I'm going to just put it in the container in the freezer, and I'll check on it like every hour to see if it's thick enough to add the ingredients that way and stir them in by hand and then put it back in the freezer to freeze all the way. Okay, so it's thick enough. I'm going to go ahead and add to it directly 1.5 cups of strawberries that have been chopped. And they were actually fresh strawberries, but I froze them earlier. And so I'm adding them frozen. I'm also going to add in half a cup of strawberry jam, seedless. I'm going to let this stir around for just a second, and then I'm going to pour in a container. I'm going to put in a freezer. So it's been in the freezer for 2 hours, and it's solid enough for the cheesecake. So I'm adding a 8-inch store-bought frozen cheesecake. I have not defrosted it. I've chopped it into chunks, and I'm only using half of the cheesecake. I'm not using the whole thing. I'm going to fold this in gently and put it back in the freezer covered overnight. You could use smaller pieces of cheesecake if you wanted to, or you could leave them out altogether and just have strawberry ice cream. So please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.